Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn flash fill and autofill in this video. Okay, so before we start, we should know how to use flash fill and autofill in Excel. So today we will talk about how to use it and how to and where to use it. Okay, so it's very useful topic and very important, and we'll let you know one by one with the example so you understood the better way. So let's start. Spreadsheet often include a lot of repetitive data. Sometimes it's a sequence of dates or a specific series of numbers pulled out of longer sequences. It might be a database of email addresses. Whatever it is, it takes a long time to get into a listed and formatted correctly. But Excel can make it easier and faster. Okay. Flash fill and autofill are powerful tools that can seriously speed up your working Excel. Okay. So today we are going to see a combining data with flash fill, extracting data with flash fill, continuing a series with autofill. You might not realize how powerful this feature is. Most of the people doesn't know where it is and in which scenario you can use it. And after watching this video, you will come to know how magical these features in Excel. Okay, so here's a list of what it can do. It can do copy cell, fill cells from a series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, fill days, fill weekdays, fill months, fill years. Okay, so start saving a ton of times to using a flash fill. It might not seem at first like flash fill and autofill are total game changer, but once you start using them, you will see that they can save huge amount of time. Almost everyone who works with spreadsheet needs to be fill repetitive data. Okay, so and these two function makes that process a whole lot easier. So let's see with the example. Okay, so here I have prepared some data, first name, last name, and this is the company name which should be email ID. Okay, so see we have a data, first name, last name, and the email ID should be, see email ID should be the first name v dot the last name offended at the rate company name dot com. Okay, so basically in your company email ID is like this only. Okay, so suppose you want to, you have lot of data like this, first name, last name and email ID, and you want to do in this format, first name, last name at the rate the company name.com. Okay, so let's see the magic. Okay, if you are doing with the formula also, it take time. Okay, but we have an option in Excel where you can do a one click. Here is the option called flash fill. Just click on that. I see the magic. See, every data has been formatted in the email addresses like this. See, you can check it manually. First name dot the last name at the rate the company name.com. See, have you seen the magic? This is called flash fill. You can do like this also. Suppose you have a name. Okay, like first name, I'll take it from here only. Let's take it from like this. Okay, and I'll paste it over here. And you want to join Fee Heffenden. Okay, first name and last name. I know, do you know the formula, the concatenate, and you can text join. But if you don't want to use the formula, you just type in one cell and just click on flash fill. See the magic. Just click that and your data is ready. Okay, so this is very powerful. You can use it. And now we will see the next example. Okay. So in this example, let's see, we would require the first two and the last four numbers. Okay, just like this, 41/1297. Okay, you want all the SS number, you want the first two and the last four like this. You have to just type in the first cell and you have to just go on data and click on flash fill. See the magic. It automatically change in every cell. See the first two and the last four. Okay, so I hope you understood the flash fill. It's very powerful option in Excel. Okay, now we will see the fill option. Okay, suppose you want to fill horizontally, vertically, like fill the series. Suppose 1, 2. So what I'm going to do, just select this and drag it. See, you can drag it as many as you can. Okay, and here also, suppose I am just dragging it. It's showing 111, but just click on this and click on fill series. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got it? So copy cell, fill cell from a series, fill the formatting only. Let's see this also. Suppose I have given the format here, the color, and I drag it from here to here. And I want to just fill the format only. Just click on this and select fill formatting only. See, formatted had been fill. Only the formatting had been fill. Okay, and now fill without formatting. You can do this also. Okay, like just copy this. I'll drag it and I click here, fill without formatting. See, only the first cell is formatted, other than is not formatting. Okay, and now fill days. Let's see, this is the date. You can drag it like this also. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and suppose I want only the weekdays, not the weekend, not including this. So just select fill the weekdays. See what happened. After 11, 12, 13 is Saturday, Sunday, and it automatically exclude from this series. Okay, 11, 14, 15, and you can go on. See, you can drag it like this. See, 20, 21. See, if I select weekday, see, after 22 is directly come on 25th. Okay, so this is the fill on weekdays. This one, fill days. Suppose I'll just click uh, type Sunday and I'll drag it. See, this is fill days. Fill days. See, okay. You can fill month, years. If I put Jan and I'll drag it, see, Jan to June, July, August, like this. This is the month. You can fill all like this also. So this is the flash fill and the fills. Flash fill and autofill. Okay. So I hope you understood the both, and you this is very powerful. Both is it's flash fill and autofill. Both are very powerful. You can use it, and when you start using this, you will come to know how much time you can save it. Okay, you can save it a lot of time. So thank you so much. And if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. So have a great day. Thank you.